One of my students at Miss Porter's school was an epileptic and was taking medicine to control it, but had eased up on her medicine and had a seizure in class one day. I knew what to do in theory, but you're never really quite prepared. She was reciting a poem. She had the poem in hand for safekeeping, but wasn't to look at it. And she had a seizure in the course of her declamation. The poem about that is entitled "We All Fall Down," for Kelly, my student. Her turn had come. She knew by heart almost the lines she was to speak, but gave us, God help her, the truth beyond the lines. Beyond the book she dropped, its pages thrashing to the floor like broken wings. The truth she beat her head upon, bit into so hard I could not pry her jaws, teeth grinding. The truth beyond us she saw, as ever, her risen eyes gone white as bone. I did what I could. I held her, seized with sudden love and knowing we all fall down. In the end, I carried her curled in my arms across one threshold and another.